Here's a square body bourbon. There's a few parts left on it. 1991. 350. You can tell it's newer because it has throttle body on it. Still has a few parts left on it. It's 4-wheel drive. Not a lot good on it though. Maybe that marker light's about the best thing on it. Bumper and grill and stuff ain't too bad, but let's see, 4-wheel drive. Body's crap. Jammed up, rusty. Yeah, I can't squeeze in between here because the car's too close. Get a good picture of it. You can get the idea. It's not very good. Somebody had something screwed to it there. Very rotten. Bolt, not a posi. Guessing the gate's pretty junk. There's a mower in it. Need a mower. This side ain't no better than the other side. See, the glass is broken here too, just like that laser down there. This is at the same yard. And it's just in the baddest condition. Smashed. More forklift monster action. The rest. We'll look inside. Maybe the door don't want to open. Here does that door. We'll go around the other side. It does have bug shield on it, like on my ramp truck. I'm usually looking at these things for parts for my ramp truck. Silver 80. Those panels are somewhat clean. I looked at this the other day, took a couple parts off of it. And it even comes with a lawnmower in the back. I guess you need to mow your lawn, there you go. There's that bucket seats at the console. Nothing in the glove box, there's the drive. Got the newer square radio in it. Might take the brackets off that radio. Might. One of those radios in the square body. And I might take this dash cluster. Using the facts, it looks fairly decent. 24,000 miles. Trip stuck. Need oil, but gauges look pretty good. Nice and colorful. Tilt wheel. See if I can get her out here. I didn't take the mower. That looks like work to me. Especially if you gotta push it. Door panels don't look too bad. There's that bucket seats. There's a console. Dash is cracked. Cluster is gone. This is the cab 4x4. This front one has no center. There's the door panels. Looked at, didn't look that bad. Aren't really scratchy or nothing, but the corner's broke. Wouldn't that be normal? Every time I find one that's in good condition, not scratchy, it's always broke. There's the buckets. They don't really look that bad. I already have a pair for my ramp truck I need to put in. The console's broke like all of them. You find one that ain't broke, you better take it, because that's worth good money if it ain't broke. Got the square radio in. I was wanting to take the mounts off that, but I never got around to doing it. This place is about ready to close, so I ain't gonna have time today. It does have tilt wheels, which is tight. Crazy nobody's took that yet. This will probably be kicking me out here pretty soon, so I guess I better get out of here. And if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe. Like, comment, share, all that other good stuff they want you to do on here.